Hi there, students. Ominous. Okay, an adjective. Ominously. An adverb. And I guess a noun, ominousness. Okay, if something is ominous, it gives an indication that something bad is going to happen. Yeah, it's like something that says or suggests that something unpleasant is likely to happen. Um, Particularly, I like the collocation an ominous silence. I told my joke and there was an ominous silence, and clearly I had upset someone. So this gave an indication that it hadn't been well received. Yeah, or maybe you're driving your car and suddenly it starts to make an ominous sound. Yeah, it's something that gives the impression that there's going to be a problem. Yeah, so something that's ominous is it's something that threatens something inauspicious. This word ominous is related to an omen. Yeah, an omen is something that predicts the future, normally something bad. Yeah, so yeah, if your car's making an ominous sound, it was clanking ominously. Yeah, you're saying that it worries you because you think something that's unpleasant is going to happen. The ominous sound of thunder said that it was very likely going to rain. Yeah, the threatening sound, the menacing sound. Yeah, um, the whole town seemed ominously quiet. Yeah, as if something bad was happening. Yeah, or there has been an ominous decline in the economy, and I wonder if that might lead to a depression. Yeah, there could be an ominous silence when you say something. I particularly like that collocation, an ominous silence. Yeah, it's has significance or means that something is threatening in character. But it doesn't necessarily mean that there's going to be disaster or it's going to happen. Yeah. So my request was met by an ominous silence, but maybe they were surprised. Yeah. But maybe it foreshadows that something unfortunate is going to happen, but not always. Yeah, it's something that predicts evil or harm. Yeah, it's something inauspicious. Yeah. I heard the ominous sign of a fire engine, for example. Okay, the ominous rumblings of people complaining. Yeah, so something that indicates the future, that something that threatens bad for the future. Yeah, so something that's maybe sinister. Yeah, it's uh, foreboding. It's not very promising. Yeah. Um, okay, so ominous, related directly to the word an omen. Yeah, an omen is a something that's believed that will foretell the future. It signifies that there's going to be some sort of change. Yeah, and normally something that's not very good. Okay, and that's the idea of ominous. The ominousness of the silence that my request was received with indicated to me that they were very unlikely to accept my request. They were very unlikely to accede to it. Okay, so he ominously said that this didn't look very good, and he thought that maybe it was going to be difficult. Okay, so ominously. Formality. If something's ominous, I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, probably better in a semi-formal one. Great word for semi-formal and formal writings. And then it comes from Latin, from ominosus, full of foreboding, something that's indicating a bad future. Yeah. Maybe it comes from the word os, meaning mouth, but maybe not. Okay, so if something's ominous, it's a bad sign for the future. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ominous, ominously, ominousness.